The net I pull out of the water. See, they got all these particular weights from the nets. Never, if your net gets tangled out into the water, don't throw it away. If you're able to pull it out of the water, use these weight links to use it on these on the fishing poles. See, as you can see, I used it for my pole, so I saved myself some good money by just pulling out that tangled up net, and I came up with all these ways that I can fish with. That way I don't have to buy no more weights at Walmart or Academy. They're very expensive. Save myself a really good money on weights here, so have enough for the whole year. Anyways, just a little tip.